Oh ha! Tlhaho. Kajeno ke bua le lona ka Manyabolo because there's nothing, really nothing tastes like Manyabolo. Like I'm for real. If you have never tasted Manyabolo, you have never tasted how life tastes like. Manyabolo, it takes you back to a where Hotegas Diva and no Metias Diva and the quality of Metias Diva. Which is bring me to this point that most people are not aware of it. The water from the tap is actually filthy. You know? I remember the first time when I heard this on a song from Dead Press, Be Healthy, when we were talking about I don't drink the water from the tap because it's filthy. I was like, that makes sense. But until later on in life and realize I like oxygen. It's only hydrogen and carbon. You know, there is no oxygen, it's a dead water. So Manyabolo, what it does is it cleans your blood, lowers your mucus, it even helps you with the process of losing weight. Happy if you have a problem with high blood, asthma, diabetes, cancer, this is good for you. Manyabolo. You can go to our page, Health Bophelo, and leave us a message if you're looking for one of these.